Hello dear Kunomailer and welcome to a new video. Today we show you how you can build this collage and later we will create a simple design. In this tutorial we use the letters, the frames and the stickers for Father's Day, which are free to download. Now you can see I already put together the word dad with the letters. You can easily put together all words you want to, and I decided to take the wood design because I think it's the best choice for Father's Day. And now I will choose the picture that I want in my collage and put it in my text object. So it's very important that you put everything you want in your collage in this text object, because if you don't, everything in the email will float around, and that is not what you want. If you want to learn more about this topic, you can join our video Mother Day Greetings. Now I will choose a frame for my collage, and I will choose a light wood frame. I think that's the best choice for this photo. And now I can center it and put the photo in front of it so I can easily adjust everything. Via formatting, I can change the level again by putting the picture frame in the foreground. Then I can set my picture frame so that it optically fits the picture. And that is quite looking good. And now I will take these letters and put them on the edge of the frame. And I easily change the level again and put it in the foreground. And I will do that with all my letters. Now it's time for more decoration, and I choose a sticker from the sticker pack Mother's and Father's Day. It's free to download in our shop, and there are some nice stickers you can choose from. And in this tutorial I choose a German sticker, and it says Father's Day. With the free move tool, I move it to my frame. And I can change the level again by putting this sticker in the foreground. And now what is missing? Right, the text. So I put a text object in my text object because I don't want the text to move and I want to have the collage together. So in this tutorial I copy and paste my text because I already created and formatted it in the editor. So I just wanted this to go a little faster. I have now changed the text background color to white. Of course, you can only see this when I slide the text onto the picture. I can adjust the text here again so that I like the text with this current width, and with a free move tool I can put it on my collage wherever I want it to be. It is important that you always deselect the free move tool when you have used it. Otherwise, you keep moving the text or the image around. And of course, I shift the level back into the foreground. If you accidentally delete things in your email, as I did here, you can use the undo arrow to restore the last version. I moved this text again because I couldn't really see where my text will be on the picture frame. Now I am also adjusting the sticker again. I can now delete the 3 points from my text object, and for a nice background I go to the background layer that is next to my text object with all my objects in it. And right there in the background I set myself a background image. That's a little too small. Therefore, I choose an image from my backgrounds. I didn't like that so much, so of course I changed the picture. This is the normal design process. You may know that when you create a stationery. And I think this simple background works quite well. I am now adapting this background as a background layer. And for this I go to the selected picture and go to fill in for image size. So now my email is ready and I can send it. This is my finished product and has been sent as it is now. Everything is in its place. We are now going to show you a simple second design. I want to set a nice background and can do this via local image, or I upload the pictures to the media center and then I have my own backgrounds. I select this picture and set it again as the selected picture, and for the picture size I fill it in instead of automatically filling. Okay, and that looks very good. Now I'm using a text object. Text objects and backgrounds always function separately from each other. Everything I put in the text object is displayed together. The background can move variably depending on how big the screens of your recipients are. I have now changed the background color of the font to a different color. This time I choose a bright red so that it stands out very nicely on the background. I can adjust the text frame again as desired and choose the width of the text. The program also marked the three lines as a text background, so I deleted them manually. Next, I adjust the frame, go to the Move tool and put the text wherever I want it. I also choose a sticker from the Free Father's Day sticker set. I choose the beer here, place it as it suits me, and I'm done with my stationery and can send it. Here you can see the first design again. And of course, the second design. And this is what the full view looks like. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we would be happy if you tune in again. Your Kunomail team.